So I have Illustrator open. So firstly, the rectangle tool, click once, make a box 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Okay, we want to right click, arrange center back, and then object, lock, selection. Now we can start building a repeat. So take motifs from here, zoom in a bit. And then click and drag over anything that touches that edge. Come up to Object, Transform and Move. Reset these values back to 0. Now type 20 cm, preview, and then copy. We can then continue to build along here. And in the same way, click and drag anything that goes over the edge of your tile. Object, transform and move. Reset these values to 0. Now move 20 cm on the vertical axis. Preview and copy. Now can fill in the middle. Knowing that the edges already repeat. You would take more consideration and care over this bit, but for sake of demonstration, let's imagine that I'm happy with this as it is now. I now need to make a copy of my background grey tile. So I want to unlock all, select my grey tile, come up to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in front. And now right click, Arrange, Bring to Front. I now want to use this grey square as a clipping mask. So with my black arrow, my selection tool, click and drag over everything I want to clip and the grey square itself. Right click, make clipping mask. Now I'm almost ready to tile this out. So I need to come up to Object, Expand in Appearance, Object, Expand. OK. And now Object, Pattern, Make. A new swatch has been added to my swatches panel here. I now have the option to change a few things in my pattern tile. Here are my pattern options panel options. So I want to size tile to art. Press done. And now at this point, I can make a new artboard, my artboard tool, artboard 4, come back to my rectangle tool, click and drag to draw a rectangle. I can fill it with the pattern swatch I've just created here. And I can move these control tools in this way. Now, once I'm happy with that, I can come up to File, Export As, Use Artboard, Artboard 4, save it as your name or whatever, to somewhere you're going to be able to find it, as a PNG, export, 300 ppi is good. Okay. And now I've exported my design as a PNG, which I have found on my desktop. If I open that up, there you have it.